crap, where's the sun? Day 5, my friends, Power Yoga Endurance Challenge. 7-day total. I'm speaking in segments today. All right, I'm gonna tuck in my shirt. This is Warriors. It moves pretty fast, not for beginners, modify as needed, or just don't do it. Do my 7-day beginner challenge below. It's me, Coach Vigue. Are you checked in? Get your seatbelt on and put your tray table back or you'll hit your head on. Downward facing dog. Breathing in the nose and out the nose with a plethora of warriors today. Let's walk. Stretch it out. Feel free to warm up yourself further before you even set foot and hand on the mat. Stretch out the spine and let's practice some radical focus. Ooh, thunder. Or is that my stomach? 4 more times. 2, 3, 4. A lot of vinyasa flow. What is vinyasa flow? Well, it's day 5. We've done a lot. Let's do one. Inhale forward. Connect these poses. And you come into plank. Keep pressing forward. Elbows in, lower down. Total control and precision. Shoulders back. Cobra or upward facing dog. Open the chest. Squeeze the glutes. That's right. And then downward facing dog. Let's do it 2 more times. Vinyasa. Get every fiber, every atom, every molecule on the same page here, working together. Create a stronger, more flexible, more endurance-minded body. All right, left foot forward. Boom. Warrior 2, warrior position. Turn the right foot in, bend the left knee, open the hip. Arms out, going into a cat-cow warrior. You might recognize some of these from my previous workouts. Inhale, open up. Exhale, roll forward. Keep the legs. 4 more times. Boom, let's get the balance. I tell you, the first couple minutes of workouts that I film, you might not be the only one who's a little unfocused or a little unsteady. I have to move my way into it as well. 1 more time. Open, close, and now extended warrior, hand down or arm on the leg and reach. Stretch it out. Whew. That's lovely. Let's take it back to downward facing dog and repeat on the other side. We come out 5 times. Open. 1. 2, effortless movement. 2 more. Open, oh, that's good. Down, open it back up, and extend. Long extension, 1 more breath. And vinyasa flow. Slow it down, kick the leg back if you like. And slither through. Slither. Stretch out the spine. Downward facing dog. Let's do that again. A little more speed. Oh, tuck in the shirt. 5 times. Open. Down. 2. Shoulder work. 4. I'm dipping a little lower. And down. Open. Extend, 1 breath. Down dog, other side, 5 times. 3. 2 more. Good. Open. Stretch. And step back. Plank. Spit. Slither through. Working it. Elbows into the sides. And open. Pop open the chest. Downward facing dog. Whew, take a breath. Whew, I got excited. Left foot forward. Warrior. Reverse to half moon. Take it back. And now forward, hand down, open. Let's do that 3 more times. Smooth transition. And down. I mean, I said I'm going to do One more of each. So 2 more. Open. Oh heck, one more. Tack it on, tack it on. Reverse. Half moon. Back to warrior. Reverse it. And then arms forward. One of my warrior hugs. Step down. Down dog. Other side. 5 times. Reverse to half moon. Oh, that's some balance right there. I think the rain's coming. 3. How's that feel? 4. Woo-hoo. Get that leg up, Sean. Up. One more time. Do 5 on each side. Remember, my counting is terrible. All right, back. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Extend. Oh, step it back. Plank. Vinyasa. Through. Get the arms involved. Open the chest. Downward facing dog. Do that again. 5 times each side. Add a little more speed, but keep the control. What do you think of that? Isn't that fun? Practice it. Don't land on your face. Use that mind-body connection. The mind sees it, and the body does it. Okay. Ooh, look at that sky. Reverse. Open. Open. Extend. Lots of warriors for you. Down dog. Other side. Ooh, hey, Mr. Fitness. Okay. Three. You got the rhythm. 4. 5. Come on. There we are. Up. Reach back. Long stretch. And forward. Okay, let's flow. Plank through. Flexibility in the spine. Downward facing dog. Take a breath. All right, airplane warrior. We're gonna do reverse into it. So left foot forward. Keep on flowing. This damn shirt. Reach up. Now, oh, look at this. Left arm underneath. You can leave this one out if you like, and then reach back up. So we have a lot of core work to get us down and to get us back up, stabilizing. 2 more times, 4 times. Oh, stretch. And up. I might be doing extra. Boom, down. Take it back up. I love these reverses. Stretch it out. And down dog. Forward. Here we are. 4 times. Effortless. Gliding. How would Bruce Lee do it? Smooth. Once more. Finish with that reverse. Up, up, up. Excellent. Down. Plank through. Get acquainted with the odors of your mat. Up, dog. Down dog. Once again. Repeat it 4 times, a little faster. 4, 1. How's that feel? Is this like a workout you've ever done before? Is this something new for you? Different movements, different feeling, different drainage in the body, how it affects you. Down dog, other side. Two more. Heart rate going up. All right. Happiness is a warrior flow and a vinyasa flow. I'm going to kick the leg this time. Through. Down dog. Take a breath. Woo! All right. Left foot forward. Mudra dive. Lace the fingers together behind you. 5 pulses. Dive down. Inhale, lift. Keep the warrior legs. Keep them strong. 3. And say bye-bye to the sun. Bye-bye, sun. Oh, one more. Shoulders back and down. Keep the posture. Rise up. Oh, and extended warrior. Forearm down or hand down, reach. Long stretch. 2 breaths. Down dog calls us. Just for a moment. Other side. Dive. 5. And repeat this workout 2, 3, 4 times. Make a day of it. All right, 2 more. Let the thunder come. Thunder road. All right, up. Extend. You got time to breathe. You have time to stretch. Vinyasa. Through a balanced body. Down dog. Left foot. Let's repeat that once more. 5 minutes. You can't stop it. 5 times. I'm talking to my massage therapist. They want to cut some wood. Here we go. 5 times. A little faster. Control. And 5. Up. Extend. Other side. Just about there, my friends. Starts to rain, let me know. 2 more. Down. Oh, that core work. Boom. Extend. I'm going to switch legs. Vinyasa flow. Give me another flow. Another one. Forward. This time, take it down. How do you feel? Downward facing dog. Let's finish with the wrap. Last one. You can cut, it's fine. The rain's coming. So here comes the rain, or wrap. Right here, left arm underneath, right arm around, open. 5 breaths. So the rain. When I lived in Florida, about half the videos I would film would end in the rain, in a storm. If you want, you got bird of paradise too. You lift up and extend. Your call. All right, other side. Spit. Warrior spit. Feel good. How you feeling? Looser, stronger, clearer thoughts, clearer movements. Stay in the wrap or be a peak. Focus. Up. There we go. Visualize. All right, let's end with 3 vinyasas. Here we go. We'll let the rain fall where it may. And once more. Oh, delicious. And down dog. Take a breath. Rain falls lightly across the plain, across my back, and that is day 5 of our 7-day Power Yoga Endurance Challenge. Warriors, please check in below, comment below. See the thunder making an appearance. Like, subscribe, share it on, and the link to all 7 workouts in the 7-day challenge is below. Now I want you to put your hands together for Jackson Heights' own Mr. Randy Watson. Yes!